Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to study effectively in Class 11 Science. Start by setting a simple daily goal for chapters and topics, then break study into 25 to 30-minute focus sessions with short breaks. Review concepts using active recall and explain them aloud as if teaching a friend. Solve core insert problems and summarize each lesson in one page of notes to reinforce memory and save revision time. Make notes that actually help you revise quickly by keeping them tight and visual. Use one page per chapter with bullet summaries, key formulas, and labeled diagrams for physics and biology. Draw simple flowcharts for processes and underline exceptions or tricky points. Keep a separate formula sheet organized by chapter and practice, deriving 1 or 2 formulas each week so they stick without rote memorization or last-minute cramming. If you find these tips helpful, please subscribe and like so I can share more practical study advice. Quick recommendation: grab a set of leak-proof meal prep containers to keep snacks and meals organized, avoid spills, and save time between study sessions. They make study marathons less messy and more efficient. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Practice with purpose by timing yourself on past papers to simulate exam conditions and improve speed. Alternate between conceptual questions and numerical problems to balance understanding with calculation skills. After each practice, review every mistake, note the root cause, and rework similar questions until the method becomes automatic. Gradually increase difficulty and track progress to stay motivated and confident heading into exams.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.